Hello everyone, welcome to our new video on creating artistic patterns in Matlab. In this video tutorial, we are going to create two beautiful designs using Matlab. One is a dynamic triangular design and the other is a flower pattern. So join me on a journey to unlock the secrets behind these visually impressive patterns. So let's start with the triangular pattern. The m and n variables here control the rotation and expansion of the triangles, creating the dynamic outer to inner motion. R is given as a radius which is equal to 5. In the next section of code, we use for loop and a conditional statement of if else. Now let's execute the code for better understanding. So this is how a beautiful animation of a triangular pattern is created. This for loop executes for 50 times, creating one triangle for each loop. Now if the I value is from 1 to 37, this code below plots a triangle in magenta color for each consecutive loop. Here the addition in n variable changes the theta value over here, which makes the triangle revolve after each loop. If the I value is between 38 to 50, this else statement gets executed. This code is similar to the above code with a minor change in the plot command. Here the triangle is plotted in green color. We use the plot command to visualize the triangles, starting with magenta colored outlines and transmitting to vibrant green as we move inward. The pause function here adds a delightful animation effect which makes the pattern come alive. Now we will move on to the flower pattern. First we will declare the number of petals and number of points to be generated for each petal. Assign these values to respective variable names, petals and points. Next we use for loop to generate multiple petals, each uniquely colored. The variable ANG represents the angles at which points are generated around the circle. The linspace command is used to create equally spaced angles between 0 to 2 pi. The radius r of each point is defined using a sinusoidal function, creating the characteristic shape of a petal. These two equations here convert the polar coordinates r and ANG into the Cartesian coordinates x and y using the trigonometric functions. Further, the plot function is used to plot each petal with a specified line width and a random color for each loop. This command here provides the title and the axis range to the plot. Now let's execute this program to see a beautiful flower design. Here is the output of this code. So thank you for watching the video. Do like the video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing!